Hey guys, it's Doc Airsoft here. I'm going to be reviewing today two sights. Yeah, these sights are pretty good. They're holographic and an acog. Yeah, so let's get straight into the review. So here are the sights in their boxes. We will get them out. This is the acog replica, and this is the acog. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, and I got the acog with the holographic with protector for the screen. I'll just prop you guys up. Oh, where's a good position? There. See, now this has a flame protector on it. If I can get that out, bear with me. Alright. Yeah. This is the protector for the screen, so it doesn't break the screen. Yeah. So I'll give you a better close up of that. Yeah, it is. What does it say there? Focus. For law enforcement and military use. Blah blah blah. Yeah, the adjustment right here and here, there. Yeah. Bear with me, guys. I'm just gonna show you how it turns on and stuff. So here we are. If you can see that in there, it's a dot. Wait with me. You can see it a wee bit easier. Sorry guys, this is my first video, it's just a bit hard. Bear with me. There. And it will change colour to green. So yeah, that's that sight. And to turn it off, you just press both of these buttons at the same time. See, off, you just go, turn it off, like that. So yeah, that's that sight. I got both of these from Unlimited Airsoft New Zealand. So yeah. Right, on to the next one. This is the acog. This is not powered by batteries, it's actually powered by sunlight. So that is this one. It's quite nice. It's the front. Got no markings or trademarks on it. I'll just prop you guys up for a minute so I can show you it better. Yeah. Here it is, right here. Sorry guys. Right here it is, right here. That's it. These up here. That you screw that off, this bit, and it's got the adjustment in it for the green dot and the one there. And these right here are the parts to attach it onto the Picatinny rails. Yeah. You might be able to see the we may be able to see the dot. I'm not sure. Look, you can barely see the dot right there. You can only barely see it because it's not sunny outside. It's about 8 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah. So that is that. Yeah, so we'll skip to my thoughts of them and I'll see you guys in a minute. So yeah, these are the sights. One more look at the trades. There. Well, not really trades, just markings. Yeah. That's that one. And these do retail for about $100 each, I believe. Yeah, full metal. Both is tan version, black. Zoom that in. Yeah, sorry, that's just my parents talking. Yeah, that's the acog, as you've seen. It runs off sunlight, so it's real, it's not fake. Ones that run off batteries. Yeah, so my thoughts are pretty good, high quality. I think they're quite good for what they price range from. Yeah, so these are my two sights that I have so far. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, see you guys. Doc out.